Preceptorship is so important to me to be seen to support these new nurses coming into general practice. We encourage nurses to come straight from their training into general practice, and it's absolutely terrifying to come in. I think it's hard enough working as a new nurse in hospitals, but you're at least surrounded by people in hospital. In general practice, it's very autonomous. You end up in a room on your own with a patient. Terrifying. And so it's so important to give these new nurses confidence and skills to be able to work in general practice. The first thing is that I meet with them as soon as they start within the first week. And we set out goals and aims and expectations of certainly the first year that they'll be with us. And also have an idea of what their feelings are, their fears, because I think when you've worked in a place such as general practice for years, 18 years now, you actually lose touch of what someone coming into it would actually feel like. So it's very helpful to just have that conversation with them at the beginning. And then I always meet with them every week for at least half an hour to an hour every week. And we just pick up on what's happened in the last week, make a plan for the next week, and we actually reflect on consultations that have taken place. How we could have done it better, what went well, and how we could change things for future practice. There's a lot to learn being a preceptor. I suppose it's made me, I think, listen more. I think the problem with me, and particularly being a practice nurse, is that you're in a consultation and you listen, but you actually want to resolve a problem at the end of the consultation. You actually want to do something and resolve it. And what I've learned is that being a preceptor, you're actually listening, and there isn't always a solution to things. It's just guidance and advice. And because I think everyone is a preceptor, from the minute you're qualified, you're a preceptor. You've got something to offer and support. You can certainly offer support from the very beginning.